Baby, I haven't found a project for the last 30 days.
I actually did some research and found out Niksi is the best source now to connect with customers and get large projects. You should really sign up there.
Yes, I saw the specs today and sent you a bid. I'll be there tomorrow morning to meet you on site.
Your price was good. If you do quality work, we have more projects for you. Let's start this one tomorrow.
I can't believe how fast I got this large project.
Niksi. Your membership to more projects, more profit, and a better future. Sign up today at niksi.com.